Welcome back to today's Futoshiki. Today we're going to do a 6x6 Futoshiki. So if you're new here, we need to try and get the numbers from 1 to 6 in each of the rows and columns of this whole grid. And finally, this arrow here in between these two boxes means the arrow points to the smaller number. So this can be any number from 1 to 6, but this one has to be bigger than this one. Right, let's dive straight in. So straight away we've got 4 numbers out of 6 here. There is a 1 and a 6 missing. There is a 6 at the top here, so this cannot be the 6, so it must be the 1, and this is our 6 here. Now, going down to this row here as well, we've got 4 out of 6 again. We've got a 1, a 2, a 3, missing a 4 and a 5. There's a 5 here, so this can't be the 5, so it must be the 4. And this one must be the 5. 2 numbers left here. This one is bigger than this one. So we've got 1, no 2, so this must be the 2 because it's the smaller number. 3's in, and then a 4 is missing as well. Good, so that's got a few of those numbers in. Let's have a look to see where we can go next. I think it's going to be here. There's a 3 in, so this can only be a 1 or a 2. However, there is a 2 here, so it must be the 1. Okay. Let's see, same here, this number has to be bigger than the 2, so we've got 3, 4, 5 or 6, can't be the 3 or the 5, so it's a 4 or 6. We're just going to write that one in for now because we don't know which it's going to be yet. Right, so that can't be a 1, this can't be a 1, this one here can't be a 1 because of the one here as well, so this must be our 1. So it's a good way to just sort of rule out a few possibilities. Again, at the bottom, this can't be a 2. There's a 2 here, so this can't be a 2. So this must be our 2. So we're left with 4s and 6s in both of these two. Excellent. Okay. Let's see where we're going next. Okay, so this one here in this column, we've got 4 out of 6. This can't be the 4, so this must be our 4. What's left in this? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so it must be our 5. Now to the end column, we're missing a 1 and a 3. 1 can't go here, so it must be the 3, and this must be our 1. Excellent, flying along now. There's 1 missing. We've got 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No 1 in this row or column, so it must go here. And I think we're then just being able to fill the rest in. So we've got 1, 2, missing a 3. So 3 there, so that can't be the 3, so it must be this one. 4, and then this must be our 5. Excellent. Let's come down here. We've got 1, missing a 2, so this must be the 2 because there's a 2 there. That's our 2, 3, 4, 5, so it must be our 6. We've then got, again, we've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing 4, 5 and 6. This can't be a 5, this can't be a 5, so that's our 5. This can't be a 4, so it must be our 6. So this is our 4, so this is our 6. So we've got 1, 2, missing a 3. And then here, 1, 2, 3, missing a 4. And that is all done. 3.5 minutes, not too bad for a 6x6. But yeah, if you like the video, smash the like button, and yeah, comment to see what we could do next. We've got a few more difficulties. We could go up to 7x7, 8x8 and 9x9. They just take quite a while, so if people are interested, I'm happy to attempt them for you. And yeah, see you in the next one.